Hey, my loves, we really wanted seafood tonight. So I told Babe I was gonna hook him up. So we got some crab, we got some shrimp and scallop scampi. We have some fettuccine Alfredo, some broccoli, corn, and some cheddar biscuits. So stay tuned. So here are the biscuits, but I could not record the recipe due to camera issues, but I'll post the recipe later in the video. So you're going to bring 1 quart of heavy cream to a boil and then simmer for 10 minutes. Then after you simmer, you're going to whisk and then add 2 cups of finely grated parmesan cheese. You can use the bag, the pre-grated. I prefer to grate from the wedge. I just think it tastes better and I think it has a better texture. So after I add, I'm just whisking and whisking to incorporate that cheese with the cream. You want to keep whisking to prevent any scorching or anything like that. Now I'm going to add about a half a cup of shredded mozzarella. Now this is from the bag because it's so little, I don't mind. You want to keep whisking, incorporate that. Then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of granulated garlic and half a teaspoon of coarse black pepper. After that, we'll let that simmer for 10 minutes more while it thickens. So you want to occasionally whisk your Alfredo sauce. If it scorches, then you will taste it in that sauce. So every once in a while, just go and whisk it. So here I have the biscuits. I just got them out the oven. They're really hot. So I'm going to take that melted butter with some granulated garlic, some dried parsley, mix that together and brush it on top. Once I finish all of those, I will post that recipe in the next clip for you guys. So we're going to take a large pot, halfway water, add salt, Mrs Dash, parsley, 2 bay leaves, a handful of celery, 1 whole lemon cut in half, and some peppercorns. We're going to bring this to a boil. Then we'll add our crab. So you're going to make sure you submerge the crab, that way it can soak up the flavor. Once you get all your crab in, you're going to cook for 5 minutes. I have my pasta and my corn going in the back. I like to start my corn early, so you can start those whenever you're ready. For the shrimp and scallop scampi, I'm gonna melt butter and margarine, add the juice of half a lemon. Then I'm adding my shrimp. It's just 2 pounds of shrimp. So I'm going to start to cook that. I'm going to season with some granulated garlic. And some dried parsley. Stir that up and cook it for about 2 minutes. We're going to add our base scallops. We'll stir that and we'll cook these all together for additional 3 minutes. So I'm going to my patio garden to get some fresh parsley, but I really want to highlight this garden one day in the video for you all because it's really simple to have a successful patio garden, even at an apartment. So eventually I'll do a video on that. So let's get back to our shrimp. So we're gonna stir this around and get those scallops down in that pan and cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes later and it's complete. And now I'll garnish with parsley and lemon wedges. So our crab is ready. I'm gonna plate it and I'm gonna add a sauce that I made and I'll share it in a future video for sure. And I'm gonna add parsley and the lemons from the boil. So we've mixed our pasta and Alfredo and cooked our vegetables as well as plated our dishes. So here is our seafood dinner. God bless and well wishes for patience, love, and peace of mind in these really hard times. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy dinner.